On the move, vehicle maintenance and inspection for safe travel. Hello everyone, and welcome to our new lesson. Today, we're going to talk about a very important aspect of travel and transportation: vehicle maintenance and inspection. This lesson will help you learn useful vocabulary and expressions related to ensuring our vehicles are in great shape for safe and efficient travel. Vehicle maintenance and inspection involves checking and servicing vehicles to ensure they are safe, efficient, and reliable. Maintenance involves routine procedures such as changing the oil, rotating the tires, and replacing filters. On the other hand, inspection is a thorough examination of the vehicle to ensure it is in good working condition. Key words to remember here are maintenance, inspection, oil change, tire rotation, and filters. Vehicle maintenance and inspection are critical for several reasons. Firstly, they ensure the safety of the driver and passengers by reducing the risk of accidents. Secondly, they improve the efficiency and performance of the vehicle, which can lead to fuel savings. Lastly, they prolong the life of the vehicle, saving money on potential costly repairs in the future. Let's remember the keywords: safety, efficiency, performance, and lifespan. Here are some common maintenance tasks. 1. Oil change. The engine oil should be changed regularly to keep the engine running smoothly. 2. Tire check. The tires should be checked for wear and tear, and the air pressure should be correct. 3. Brake inspection. The brake system should be checked to ensure it's functioning properly. 4. Battery check. The battery should be inspected for any corrosion or damage. 5. Light check. All the vehicle lights should be working properly. Don't forget these key terms: oil change, tire check, brake inspection, battery check, and light check. A vehicle inspection may include checking the following. 1. Engine. Is it running smoothly? 2. Brakes. Are they working properly? 3. Lights. Are all the lights functioning? 4. Tires. Are they in good condition with enough air pressure? 5. Windshield and windows. Are they clean and clear with no cracks? The important terms here are engine, brakes, lights, tires, and windshield, windows. To wrap up, vehicle maintenance and inspection are crucial aspects of ensuring safe and efficient transportation. We hope this video has been helpful for you to understand and learn key vocabulary related to this topic. Keep practicing these new words and expressions, and stay tuned for our next lesson. Safe travels, everyone!